Instructions for safely preparing your own saline solution at home. Saline is a mixture of salt and water. Its salt concentration is similar to tears, blood, and other body fluids. A homemade saline solution can be used to rinse the nasal passages, nasal irrigation, rinse the mouth to alleviate a sore throat, cleanse cuts and scrapes, cleanse a new piercing, irrigate the bladder or flush urinary catheters if advised by your child's healthcare provider. A homemade saline solution should not be used to rinse your eyes or contact lenses, as this could lead to corneal abrasions. Treat dehydration. Here is how you can make a saline solution at home. You will need 1 sterilized airtight glass bottle or jar with lid, pot with lid, sterilized funnel, optional, water, table salt. It is best to use non-iodized salt, which does not have iodine in it. Baking soda, optional. Note: baking soda should not be used for cleansing the bladder or urinary catheters. For the purpose of nasal irrigations, baking soda may make the solution less irritating to the nose. There are 2 ways that you can make saline solution using boiled water or distilled water. Storage for boiled water is 24 hours. Storage for distilled water is 1 month. Option 1. Step 1. Always wash your hands with soap and water before preparing saline at home. Step 2. Put 1 cup, 250 milliliters of tap water into a pot and boil for 15 minutes with the lid on. Step 3. Remove from heat and cool until the water reaches room temperature. Step 4. Add a half a teaspoon of salt into the pot and stir to dissolve. Step 5. Optional. Add a pinch of baking soda and stir to dissolve. Step 6. Carefully pour the salt water solution from the pot into the jar or bottle and put the lid on. Step 7. Refrigerate solution and use within 24 hours. Large batch recipe. Follow this recipe if you want to make a larger batch of saline solution. Step 1. Always wash your hands with soap and water before preparing saline at home. Step 2. Put 4 cups, 1 liter of tap water into a pot and boil for 15 minutes with the lid on. Step 3. Remove from heat and cool until the water reaches room temperature. Step 4. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the pot and stir to dissolve. Step 5. Carefully pour the solution from the pot into the jar or bottle and put the lid on. Step 6. Refrigerate solution and use within 24 hours. Option 2. You can use distilled water purchased from most pharmacies and grocery stores to make sterile and longer-lasting saline without boiling water. This is an easy and less time-consuming process. Step 1. Always wash your hands with soap and water before preparing saline at home. Step 2. Mix 8 teaspoons of salt into 4 liters of distilled water. Step 3. Refrigerate solution and use within 1 month. Important points. Bacteria can grow in saline and cause infections, so it is very important to keep it refrigerated and use freshly made saline solution within 24 hours or saline solution made with distilled water within 1 month. Do not use either type if it looks cloudy. Use a sterilized glass jar or bottle that has been recently washed in a full cycle dishwasher or boil sterilized for 10 minutes. If using a funnel to transfer the solution into the jar or bottle, it should also be sterilized. This will help prevent bacteria from contaminating the solution. Do not drink or swallow the saline solution. Keep the saline solution sterile by not dipping anything into the container. Rather, pour the amount needed into another container or cup and then draw up the saline with a syringe. For more information about administering saline solution and other health topics, visit AboutKidsHealth.ca.